What's the meaning of crowning? Crowning. Crowning.
Crowning. Crowning. The term crowning can refer to various different things depending on the context. One of the most common uses of the word is in reference to childbirth, where it describes the moment when a baby's head begins to emerge from the mother's womb during labor. In this context, crowning marks the transition to the final stage of delivery and indicates that the baby will soon be born. The result of crowning is the visible emergence of the baby's head, which can be a highly emotional and intense moment for both the mother and medical staff involved.